Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. In today's video, I'm walking you around a detachable tow bar installation that we've just carried out on a Porsche Cayenne S E-Hybrid. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen us before, hit that subscribe button below. Otherwise, let's go. So customers coming to us looking for a solution and we've delivered exactly that. What we've gone for is a Westfalia Detachable Swan neck tow bar, not only adding in loads more functionality to tow the vehicle, but also we've added in what's called a dedicated wiring harness, and that's going to be the main focus on the video because that's the really important part. The actual tow bar itself in essence is basically a lump of metal to allow you to tow. That is bolted to the vehicle. So what's involved in this is stripping out the back of the vehicle, removing that bumper, removing the crash beam and bolting in the new tow bar in a factory location. These tow bars are very vehicle specific. However, that allows you to have a really nice detachable mechanism that allows you to take off that neck so it doesn't interfere with parking sensors. But the main thing is we've gone for a 13-pin dedicated wiring loom. In essence, a dedicated wiring loom allows the vehicle's brain to in essence kind of change. So whenever you're towing, as soon as you plug anything in, whether that's a cycle carrier, whether that's a trailer, whether that's a caravan, whatever it might be, as soon as something makes contact with those pins inside that socket, your vehicle's brain adapts. It changes safety features on your vehicle to help you guys stay safe while towing. You are adding additional weight, guys, to your vehicle, whether you're towing a small cycle carrier, small trailer, or a caravan. It's additional weight that the vehicle is not currently prepped for. Dedicated wiring loom basically means it goes into given points from manufacturer, but also retains a lot of the safety features of the vehicle. But also what it does is it does automatic rear sensors deactivation. So as soon as you plug in, parking sensors automatically deactivate to let you know that you're obviously towing something. But also what it does is you've got bulb failure system. So when you indicate, you're not getting a buzzing noise from the back. You've actually got everything live directly on your actual unit itself in the front. Everything is fully integrated into the vehicle. It's an incredible solution. So if you are interested in getting something like this installed, you know exactly what to do, guys. Drop us a message on any of our social media platforms, drop us an email, we'll get a quote sent over to you. For these systems, we basically need your registration number, and also preferably if you can send over a picture of the back of the vehicle just so we can confirm compatibility with everything, and we'll get your quote sent over to you and then arrange your install, and then we'll sort the rest out from there. And you know that your car is in good, safe hands here in Cambridge in our workshop facilities, where all the trim is put away in a set designated area. It's all looked after just as though we'd want to look after our own vehicle. So thank you very much for watching, guys. We look forward to seeing you soon.